Hello all, my name is Krishnaik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to start a playlist where I'll be showing you how you can build a website with the help of Hostinger. If you don't know about Hostinger guys, this provides you a best web hosting platform. It is also a website builder. With the help of WordPress, you'll be able to build a website. These are the various plans, and probably I think I've taken one of the plan from this, and I'll try to show you like how you can create a website, a simple website like a blogging website with the help of the WordPress. And it'll be pretty much simple guys, simple drag and drop, that's it, and you'll be able to create this whole video. So that is what I'll plan to do, and probably this whole playlist will be consisting of somewhere around 9 to 10 videos. Now these are the various plans with respect to Hostinger. You have all these things. You have a single web hosting, you have a premium web hosting, business web hosting, and cloud web hosting. Uh, you can actually start with single web hosting, and you'll be able to get one website, one email, this many monthly visitors, and many more things like SSL certificates and all. Right, so let me just log in and let me just show you how you can set up this Hostinger. I'll try to log in with my Gmail ID. So you'll be able to see over here, and here you have been allocated with WordPress starter, domain registration, and this all. So let me just start with WordPress starter, and I'll just set up my WordPress over here. So here you can see welcome to Hostinger, and the main idea is basically to create a simple website. Let it be a blogging website or something else, right? So over here you can claim a free domain if you're going with the deployment things. So here you can select a domain. Let me just select suppose I'll say krishnayakai, okay, .com. I'll search for this domain, and probably yes, I will be able to get it. So I'll just click on continue. Which way do you want to go? And reason why I'm making this website, I'm trying to make my I'll make this website telling about myself, a small description about myself, and all. So let's see, and this will also give you an idea like how simple WordPress is also, right? It's just like drag and drop. You do not know in-depth knowledge of HTML or CSS. So I'm going to build a new website, create a WordPress account. So let me put a password over here, and here it is. I'll go and click on continue. Let's see which look do you prefer, right? I'll just select one look, and probably let's see in this I will try to create my wedding invitation, or I may create some other kind of websites also, but let's see. Since I'm getting married in December, I'll try to create a wedding invitation for you all, okay, so that everybody is invited. um, okay, fine. You're installing the following CMS. Yes. I'm just going to click the finish setup, and right now it is initializing. It may probably take some amount of time, but you can see that how quick it is, right? So yeah, as you know that I'm getting married on December 9th, so I'll just create a small wedding website for myself, so that I can share with all of you, right? So this will be my personal, enter contact details. Okay, I am not going to give my number, otherwise it'll be a problem, or address. Let me just finish this up and then come back to it. Okay guys, so I have done the registration, and this website is getting registered. It may take some amount of time, but yes, let it get registered, and you'll be able to see that after this gets registered, I'll be getting at least a basic website. As you know that I'm planning the website for giving you as an invitation. Okay, so yes, sir, it'll take somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes, and let's see how much time it may take. Okay guys, the installation has happened. Now you'll be able to see two things. One is the WordPress dashboard, and one is the control panel. So I'll just go and click on WordPress dashboard. Here you'll be able to see this is your dashboard itself, and on the top of it you can see that you will be able to edit all this kind of text. Suppose if I click on edit with Elementor, so it will just open up, which will actually help us to do the editing part. Obviously I'm using this particular template. What I'll do is that I'll just remove this, and I'll just write my name, and my to be is Khushbu. Okay, so I'm basically creating this. Save the date. I'm just going to keep the date over here, so it will be December 9th 2020. right? So fine, you also have an option for adding it to your calendar. You can also change, you can also put it as a link, you can use different heads like this. You can see, right? It's quite simple. And you can see that you can also change the alignment of the text and many more things. So this is just an example to show you, and probably I'll be designing this whole website in front of you and adding a lot of details with respect to all the things, and with respect to different kind of widgets. This will be pretty much amazing. So yes, I'm just going to create my website for my marriage date, so that you all are invited. I'll also be updating everything information so that you can come, guys, to my marriage. So yes, I'll continue this whole tutorial in my next video, and I'll be updating many sections about us, all the images over here, and all the many things as such. So yes, this was about the tutorial one. And if you're new to Hostinger, you'll also be able to find out the description with respect to the Hostinger in the description of this video. And I'll also be sharing you the details. If you really want to use Hostinger, you try to use the code that is given in the description. You'll also be getting some discount. So yes, I'll continue in the tutorial too, and we'll see what all innovative things I'll try to do. So yes, this was all about this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Bye bye.